Hello everyone, KTG5 here. Today we're going to be taking a look at some Windows Whistler builds. That's right. If you don't know what Windows Whistler is, it's basically the code name for Windows XP. Now, you're probably asking yourself, why are we doing this? And also, what hardware are we using? Well, if we zoom out and not zoom in and take a look down here, this is the system that we'll be using. We have some power supply that my friend gave me, a GeForce 7600, which I found the drivers for and everything like that. And we have some AMD processor. I'm not too sure what it is, but I believe this motherboard is from like Windows 7 or Windows XP area. I'm not too sure, but we're gonna go ahead and figure it out. Let's turn it on.
You pop this piece of crap in, expecting Ghostbusters, and what do you get?
We gotta go to the boot menu. Oh yeah, and we're also using a flash card to store everything on. So it'll just load from the CD-ROM, and it'll take a little bit to load up. See, press any key to boot from CD, and it will analyze our hardware, and then it will load everything up, and we should be in the installer as quickly as possible. And don't freak out yet. The screen will appear in a few seconds. Just give it a little bit. There we go. So it'll just take a little bit. I'm gonna stop recording so then I can save space on my SD card. And of course, it works. When I put it on a different computer, the thing works. So that's just great. I can't use my build that I made, especially for this occasion. So what am I going to do? Am I going to install it on the terminal server computer? Or am I going to cry and have no video at all that I would like to do? So, what am I going to do? Am I going to do it? Am I going to do it? Am I going to do it? Of course I'm going to do it. Windows Setup can automatically configure most arguments of your installation, Alright, so here we are. We got our C drive and our D drive. So, we select the D drive, which is right there. And am I actually going to do this? Alright, so after about 30 or so minutes messing around, I have decided that I'm going to be using a totally different drive. And so right here, we have the drive and everything like that. So we're going to use this, and we're going to do quick format, and hopefully it will be quick as possible. So we'll just give it a little bit and see how it turns out, and hopefully I don't have to format it with something else, because if I have to, I'm not going to be very happy. Oh, it's already done formatting. Okay. So as I come back and the computer reboots, we get this message. Now it's basically telling us that the date is not set correctly in the BIOS, so we're gonna have to let the computer reboot and set it to a certain date. Ooh, it's been the first time since I've seen that. Whoa. Okay, all right, we're getting somewhere. So I misunderstood. I thought it was on that exact date, but it can be anywhere from this date to that date. And I don't know why this thing is taking so long. Ooh, here we go. Windows Whistler Setup Wizard. So I got the I got the date correct. All right, so welcome to the Windows Whistler, blah blah blah. Install all that stuff. Let's see if it detects the Voodoo 3, which It probably won't. I don't think it will, but if it does, that'll be pretty cool. USB keyboard, name. We'll just call it Whistler PC. No admin password. What? Wait while Windows installs networking components. Will it install the network driver? We'll find out. Okay. So network settings. Oh, it detected the modem and the network card, question mark? Choose whether, typical settings. No, this computer is not on the network, on a network without a domain. Okay. Okay. Now it's going to install some more components. Let's see if it finds the graphics card this time. It most likely won't. Now you can tell that is a raccoon. Oh, what's this? We're getting to messages that we could read? Windows just got better. Windows Whistler, I can't even speak English. The new release includes 100 of advancements and new features based on customer requests and product. Alright, so we got the status bar here. Looks like it won't take that long as it's like almost halfway done. Okay, so now the computer's rebooting. Didn't even say it was gonna reboot. No message or anything like that. So, okay, so now it's rebooting. Let's see what happens when we get on to the computer again. Come on, floppy drive. You can do this. I believe in you. Oh, there. Oh, I didn't even hear it go off. What the hell? It's probably gonna still be in the installation What? What? Huh? Windows Terminal Server? What? I thought I formatted this drive, huh? Okay then, I guess you can use multiple installations of Windows with the Windows Whistler boot. That's kind of cool. Oh my god, it detected the Voodoo 3. What? Whoa. What's going on? Whoa! Epic! That's epic. Welcome to Windows Whistler. Dang. And the the wallpaper doesn't even match the screen. Register with Microsoft. Fuck off. Register with Microsoft. Next. You gotta be serious. Skip. Do you want to get onto the internet? Do not configure internet at the moment. Will you be sharing this computer with others? No, I am not. Well, actually, yes. So I think it's gonna like. Oh, okay. So here we go. This is the new. This was the in development system. So we'll have user 1, and down here we'll have user 2, and then we'll click next. Thank you. All right. Welcome. Look at this. Look at this. This is just epic. What is this? All right, here we are. So we got the Voodoo 3 drivers on here, I believe. I think we're running at full color mode. And I really like this theme. Look at this theme. Oh my god, they added the drag around windows feature. So this is high color, 16-bit. We could go to 32-bit. Hey, 32-bit color. Look at that. It even has a little slow animation. This was how Windows XP was gonna look like when you logged out or wanted to switch users. So you got user 1, user 2, and Whistler. I think Whistler is like the main account of all this. So we'll just go into Whistler, and here we are. Let's go into here. Oh my god. That's actually, that's epic. Let's go into control panel and let's see if there's a device. Oh wow, they changed control panel in this build really a lot. Add or remove programs, sounds, audio, blah 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 blah. This interface is so cool. There's a little guest account. Why did it not activate that? So it says Windows 2000 here, but we all know that that's not true. Device manager. Let's see what it detects. It detects everything. You want to see something really cool? Click on here. So leave a comment. You are submitting a comment regarding the appearance or functionality of the recycle bin. Now, as you can see here, submit a comment has comments on it as well. And so you can have an infinite loop of sending feedback of the same window over and over and over again. You are submitting a comment regarding the appearance or functionality of submit a comment window. If a window pops up, you can see like the window that's like showing the pop-up turns red instead of blue. I like that. I like that. I don't think there's anything else really to show on this. If you see right there, you can tell that the start button has really changed, and if you look very closely, the taskbar color then like normal is like it's not normal. And then there you can see that Windows Whistler Professional. Now there is a home version of this build of Windows Whistler, but unfortunately I didn't get it to work. Well, it did work. The ISO worked, but at the time I was having trouble trying to burn the CD. So that's why I had to, install Professional, and I might have taken a little bit too long to actually get this working because I'm a dumb idiot. So I pressed the Windows key. I think this is a bug in the build. I'm pressing the Windows key once, and it's still appearing. Usually it would just close. I have to click on the desktop to make it actually do that. So if you guys enjoyed today's episode of messing around with vintage tech, and if you want to see more build pre-releases or betas of, Windows operating systems, leave a comment down below or like the video or something like that, and tell me that you really like this and you want to see more. So with that, I will see you guys later on the next video I make. It's probably going to be Vintage Max since I didn't make that. I'll see you guys later. Bye!